Welcome back to Hargai, where we explore the world of automotive artistry. We don't just look at cars as modes of transportation, but as expressions of design, craftsmanship, and a statement of personal taste. Today, we are examining an object of profound desirability, the updated 2026 Audi RS E-Tron GT. The original was already, in my opinion, one of the most beautiful four-door vehicles ever penned. It was a masterful blend of muscularity and elegance. The challenge for Audi, then, was not to reinvent it, but to refine it, to enhance its character without disturbing its soul. And they have succeeded magnificently. This is not a radical, headline-grabbing redesign. It is a subtle, confident evolution. The changes are nuanced: a slightly reprofiled grille, more aggressive front intakes, sophisticated new wheel designs. It's the kind of update that rewards a discerning eye. It speaks of a brand that is so confident in its core design that it only needs to make the slightest of adjustments to maintain its position at the zenith of automotive aesthetics. But the true story of this new model lies beneath that breathtaking skin. Audi has elevated the entire ownership experience, focusing on the key pillars of a true Grand Tour: effortless performance, exceptional comfort, and ultimate convenience. This car is about more than just raw speed. It's about the quality of the journey. It's about how a vehicle makes you feel, not just from behind the wheel, but every time you look at it, every time you interact with it. The performance, of course, has been elevated to an entirely new plane. With up to 925 horsepower available, the acceleration can only be described as sublime. It's a silent, seamless, and utterly overwhelming wave of force. But what truly defines it as a luxury experience is its effortlessness. You don't feel the frantic mechanical violence of an internal combustion engine. You simply feel the world moving around you at an impossible rate. It is performance that is always in reserve, always available, but never brutish or uncivilized. This sense of sophisticated composure is largely thanks to the new active suspension. It's a system that creates a dual personality for the car. In its comfort setting, it glides over imperfect roads with a serenity that befits a flagship luxury sedan. It absorbs bumps and isolates the cabin, creating a tranquil environment for long journeys. Yet when you desire a more spirited drive, it transforms, keeping the body perfectly poised and controlled. It's this breadth of capability that defines a modern luxury GT. It is a car for all moods and all roads, a testament to engineering that serves the driver's well-being as much as their desire for speed. This philosophy extends to the very act of living with an electric vehicle. The primary source of anxiety for many potential EV owners, charging, has been addressed with remarkable efficacy. The ability to charge the significantly larger battery from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes is frankly a paradigm shift. It transforms the calculus of a long-distance road trip. What was once a lengthy pause is now a brief interlude for a coffee or to check one's emails. This is the ultimate luxury, the luxury of time. It makes the prospect of crossing continents in the RS E-Tron GT not just possible, but genuinely appealing. If you appreciate this perspective on automotive culture, one that values artistry and the ownership experience as much as performance, I invite you to subscribe to Hargai. We believe a great car is about more than just numbers. It's about the story it tells. The increased range, now comfortably exceeding what one might need for a day's travel, further enhances this sense of freedom. It removes the constant need for planning and calculation, allowing the driver to simply enjoy the journey. Inside, one expects the same impeccable quality that Audi is known for, likely with updated infotainment software and new material choices that continue to blend sustainability with opulence. It is a cabin designed not as a cockpit, but as a lounge, a beautiful, quiet space from which to watch the world blur past. Ultimately, the 2026 Audi RS E-Tron GT asks a compelling question. What is the price of a masterpiece? It is undoubtedly an expensive machine, but what it offers is a unique and holistic experience. It is a piece of rolling sculpture, a technological powerhouse, and a serene long-distance cruiser all in one. It represents the pinnacle of what an electric grand tourer can be, a vehicle that satisfies the heart's desire for beauty and the mind's demand for innovation. It's for the individual who understands that true value isn't just in what a car can do, but in how it makes them feel. It is not merely a purchase, it is an acquisition, a statement that you appreciate the finest things, not just in life, but for the road ahead. It is, in every sense of the word, a car worth valuing. Here at Hargai, we celebrate the artistry and passion behind the world's greatest automobiles. If you believe that a car can be more than just a machine, that it can be a source of inspiration, then join our community. Subscribe to Hargai, and let's continue to appreciate automotive excellence together.